Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful quilled Valentine's Day special greeting card. So I will show you how to create these hearts and all this decoration. And from the inside there is a pop-up hearts, lots of hearts. And it's very easy to create. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, quilling mold, quilling tool, tweezer, white color gel pen, liquid glue, scissor, double-sided foam tape, one heart punch, red color craft paper and black color thick sheet. First I am taking this red color craft paper which measures 7 by 7 centimeters and I am just folding it thrice to create 8 petal flower. Now I have already created this template of petal, so I am tracing the template on the base. Now cut this petal shape. Open the flower so you will get a 8 petal flower. Now I will cut one petal from this. Add little glue on one petal and connect like this. Now you can close whole flower in this way. Now I have some white color heart punches, so I will connect these hearts inside the flower. If you don't have heart punch, you can also cut these hearts using scissor directly. Like this. Now close the flower again, and in the same way I have created total 7 flowers. Now I will arrange these petals so that we can create the pop-up heart flowers. So just follow the guideline. Like this. Now I am taking this black sheet which measures 24 by 15 centimeters. I have just folded this in half. Now I am adding my pop-up heart flower inside the card. So add glue on one petal. Just press this and do the same procedure from other side. Let it dry for some time. Now it's completely dried and it's looking fabulous, isn't it? Now just let it aside for some time. I have created one heart using red paper, and on back side of this I have added black sheet to create it little thick. Now to decorate this heart I am taking half strip of maroon color and making one tight coil. Now I am taking my quilling mold and just making a dome. Add glue inside this dome. In the same way I have created some more dome using maroon color strip. Now I am adding glue around the edge of heart and adding these domes one by one. like this. Now I am making some beehive designs. For this I am taking red color strip and making beehives. Like this. Now I am filling this inside hard gap using these quilled beehives. So the beautiful quilled heart is ready. In the same way I have created one more heart using the same technique but just little smaller in size. Now I will show you how to create these scrolls. For this I am taking 2 strips of white color, just folding this in half, cut from the center. Again fold this whole bunch in half, and now I will connect each half folded strip with each other. Now take your tweezer and just twist this in one direction. So scroll is ready. Now pull each strip little bit so that we can see each scroll. Now just secure all the ends using glue. Cut excess strip. So scroll is ready. In the same way I have created some more scrolls using pink color strips, and you can create in different sizes. Now take back your card, and first I am decorating one corner of the card using some red color strips. Like this. Now I have added some double-sided foam tape on backside of the hearts, so I'm just adding little glue to more security and connecting the heart on top of the card. Now first I am arranging all the scrolls, and after that I will connect these scrolls using glue. this is done. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Now I'm adding some red color tight coils on these scrolls randomly. To create these tight coils, I have used 1/4 strip of red color. Like this. Now I am adding some white color dots using white gel pen randomly here and there on the card to decorate it little more. Like this. So this is done, and from the inside the card I have added some pink strip and some red punched hearts. So the beautiful card is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.